Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is all about my 2018 holiday giveaway. I've been hinting around here on my channel that I was planning a holiday giveaway once again, and the time has come for me to talk to you guys about what I'm giving away. I always love hosting giveaways here on my channel because I am so appreciative of everyone for taking their time to watch my videos, because there's a lot out here on YouTube and you could be watching somebody else. If you're spending time watching me, then I'm really grateful for that, and I like to give things away to my audience for that reason. I know that there's so much out here in the beauty industry, so many products, so I love hosting giveaways to give you guys an opportunity to own the products that you hear us talking about here on YouTube. So I say this all the time, but please make sure that you are really paying attention to what's in the description box and what's at Rafflecopter, and maybe just watch the entire video so that you'll know exactly what you need to do to enter to win. There are lots of optional ways to enter this giveaway, but the requirements are that you're subscribed to my channel, that you comment down below, and that you like the video. There's going to be information later in the video that tells you about the comment that you need to leave, but oftentimes winners are selected and can't receive the prize because they don't comment on the video and they don't like the video. So please make sure you follow the giveaway rules so that you'll be eligible to win my giveaway. So let's go ahead and find out more about the products that I'm giving away. First, let's talk about a few deluxe samples that I have. I get a lot of them from Sephora as well as Ulta, and I don't always need these products because I have the full-size product. This is a little sample of the Lock-It spray. It's a really small size, but you can get a few sprays out of this to let you know whether it's worth purchasing. That's the Lock-It setting spray by Kat Von D. It's one of my favorites. I'm also giving away this Professional, and hopefully you can see in here the size of this, and I think this would actually last a few weeks, especially if you use it just for your pore area. So if you haven't tried it, you'll have a good idea about this product. If you do have it, this is a perfect travel size. So this is the Professional. Also, the winner is going to get this Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. This is a really popular primer. I already have a deluxe sample. It's not necessarily one I use all the time, but I do use it from time to time. But I'm still working on my deluxe sample, so I decided to put this in the giveaway as well. I'm also giving away this deluxe sample of the Flower Bomb perfume by Viktor and Rolf, and it's the cutest box. I mean, it looks exactly like the original. This is the size of the Flower Bomb. It's a 0.24 ounce bottle, and I purchased 4 of these so that I'd have almost an ounce, and I thought I would use them faster than I'm actually using them because it doesn't have a spray nozzle. You have to actually pour it in your hand or pour it on you to use it. It takes me longer to use perfumes when I have to apply it that way. So I would have these for a long time and it would take me a while to go through them. So I decided to go ahead and gift this to someone else. So that's my deluxe samples. I'm also giving away this mask. This is one of my favorite sheet masks. This is called Pore Care. It's red wine. It's really good. This is one of the Korean skincare products. It's written in Korean. They come in all different types of masks, but this one is focused on pores. The winner will receive this. Also, the winner is going to receive this beauty sponge. This one is called Creations. There's also a cleaner here. I believe I purchased this when I purchased a set of my Lily lashes. I think it was sold on the Lily Lash website, and I'm always looking for beauty sponges, and I don't even think I've tried my sponge. I have it, but I haven't tried my own sponge, but I decided to gift one to somebody else as well. So this is a beauty sponge. This is the Voluminous L'Oreal Lash Paradise in shade Black, and it is one of my favorite mascaras, and it is definitely my favorite drugstore mascara. I've gone through a couple of these and I love giving these away. This is probably like the 3rd time that I've given this mascara away because it's just that good. This is a Sephora Favorites Give Me Some Nude Lip, and they actually don't even carry this one anymore. They've already moved on to another nude lip. I purchased this for myself, and I also purchased one for the winner. I think it was right before they discontinued this product when I got it. This is an $83 value. There's a full-size nude lip in here and several deluxe sample sizes, very large sample sizes though. There's a NARS, I think it's Orgasm. NARS Orgasm is in here. There's some Smashbox. There's a Buxom lip gloss. It's like a plumping lip gloss that I love that's in in here. I use all of these lip products. I have thoroughly enjoyed it, and I really think that you guys are gonna like it too. So the next couple of products we need a drum roll for. I think you're gonna love what I'm talking about next. I'm giving away a naked palette. So you guys may recall this palette was discontinued. They buried this palette and had a funeral for it. And this is the original naked palette. If you've been watching my channel, then you know that this is not a favorite palette of mine. After they buried the palette, I decided to pull it back out, and I did end up being able to create some better looks with it for my skin tone. So I did like it a little bit more than originally. I purchased the last one at that store. I purchased it for you guys. So if you didn't get a chance to get this original naked palette, here's your chance. My final giveaway item for this giveaway is the AMREZY highlighter. So this is the highlighter. Ooh. And you guys have seen it before. And I actually wanted to give this away during the summer giveaway. And I didn't realize that this product was limited edition. I just hadn't paid attention. And I went to go purchase it, and it was nowhere to be found. So I just thought I'll never be able to give this away. I had to move on to something else. And then they've brought it back for a limited period of time. So if you don't want to wait on this giveaway, you may want to jump on it, because it is for sale for a limited period of time during this holiday season. This could just be your backup if you win. This is like one of my all-time favorite highlighters. It's beautiful. I hate that it's limited edition. Here's your chance to win this beautiful, gorgeous highlighter. Okay guys, so let's talk about what you have to do to enter to win. First off, make sure that you read the description box, and all of the information about the giveaway will be in the description box. If you go to Rafflecopter, you'll find out there what you have to do to enter to win. That is where you will submit your official entry. I'm just going to run through some things for you guys here as well. So make sure that you're 18 years old or older. Make sure you like this video and that you are subscribed to my channel. Also, comment down below your favorite holiday show. Everyone loves Rudolph, Frosty the Snowman. I love 'Twas the Night Before Christmas. Christmas time is calling, Santa, Santa.
Christmas chimes are calling, Santa, Santa. Every heart we calling, Santa, Santa. Come on up, Miss Kringle, down the Milky Way. Christmas chimes are calling, Santa, we need you today.
That's one of my favorite holiday cartoon songs, and I love the moral behind that story. I don't always catch it on television, but I will go to YouTube and I will find 'Twas the Night Before Christmas, because it's just like one of my favorites. So if you have a favorite holiday show, then leave that information down below. So those are the things you have to do that are required. There are also additional ways that you can enter this giveaway so that you increase your chances of winning. So make sure you check that out at Rafflecopter. There will even be a way for you to enter every single day. So that again is at Rafflecopter. This giveaway will run for about 2 or 3 weeks. Check the description box for the end date. This giveaway is also open internationally. If you do live outside of the United States, make sure that you know your customs rules, so that if you win this giveaway and the product is sent to you, you will be able to follow any of the rules in your country as it relates to customs. Sometimes there are fees associated with receiving packages internationally. So make sure you're aware of that before you enter this giveaway. You do not have to leave your personal information in the comments down below. I will get that information from Rafflecopter, and I will contact the winner via email. And I will post that information here as well, so you can check back here to see if you won. You may want to set yourself a reminder so that you don't forget to check your email. If I left anything out, that information will be where? In the description box. And at Rafflecopter, okay? I love hosting giveaways for you because I really do appreciate the fact that you are subscribed to my channel, and I know that there are a lot of places that you could be here on YouTube besides on Savvy's channel. So I'm grateful to you for watching my videos and supporting me as a content creator. I love doing this for you, and I love to show you how much I appreciate you. So I wish everyone the best of luck during this giveaway. Happy holidays to you all, as well as Happy New Year. And I hope to see you guys again very soon in my next one. So until the next time we meet again, this is Savvy, signing out.